Number 9. Incredible power from the Überrassen TV2200. With its 2,200 plus horsepower, this snowblower is definitely built to handle the harshest winter conditions. Heading to Germany, it's going to be a game changer for snow removal. What a machine!
Landscape with awe-inspiring grace and power. Turn. After a grueling battle against gravity and the unforgiving terrain, the truck finally emerged victorious.
Is it a truck or a boat? This vehicle seems to be testing its limits in the water. Clearly, the incorrect placement of the tie-downs from the start led to the truck sustaining more damage than benefiting from the rescue effort. It's crazy!
Such heart-stopping scenarios are a constant reality on these mountain roads, demanding nerves of steel and the skill of a seasoned veteran behind the wheel. Yet, even with the utmost caution, the specter of disaster looms large.
Number 25, SPMT. Peabody Energy's 8 million pound dragline completed a historic journey from the company's Lee Ranch mine, northwest of Grants, New Mexico, more than 20 miles to its new home at the El Segundo mine. Transporting one of the world's most massive machines required precision and planning. The Bucyrus Erie 1570W dragline was carried across the high desert by a specialized 600-wheel vehicle. This is a platform heavy hauler with a large array of wheels, which is an upgraded version of a hydraulic modular trailer. SPMTs are used for transporting massive objects, such as large bridge sections, oil refining equipment, cranes, motors, spacecraft, and other objects that are too big or heavy for trucks. Ballast tractors can, however, provide traction and braking for the SPMTs on inclines and descents. It's absolutely mind-blowing to watch the massive Cat 790 Nemerimba with an operating weight of 1,775,000 lbs being transported on city streets by Volvo trucks. This might be part of the mining equipment transportation contract for Finding Chile by TX Group, showcasing their commitment to the mining industry with efficient and safe logistics solutions. It's like witnessing parts of the Autobots from Transformers come to life.
On a treacherous 10% grade hairpin turn in India, a parade of overloaded trucks defied gravity and common sense. Their groaning engines and straining axles, a symphony of impending disaster, punctuated by the chilling sight of an overturned truck, a grim testament to the risks.
Number 9. The ACO Super Bulldozer is like a sleeping giant, the world's biggest bulldozer, yet it never saw a single day of work. The ACO Super Bulldozer, with its 183 tons, 40-foot length and twin engines, and 1,350 HP twin engines, remains a testament to human engineering, stuck in Italy due to trade embargoes. Now, it's a fascinating educational display, showcasing what could have been the world's most powerful dozer. The driver's skills are beyond imagination. He handled that steep incline with unbelievable smoothness. Let's shake hands with the cat excavator. Number 15, the Crawler Transporter. priced at $144 million, is NASA's colossal tracked vehicle, crucial for moving spacecraft from the vehicle assembly building to Launch Complex 39. With a staggering mass of 6 million pounds and 8 tracks, each shoe weighing 1,984 libs, it operates with precision, using laser guidance and leveling systems. Its ability to adjust platform height and maintain stability on a 5% grade showcases its engineering excellence. Number 24. Epirock's 40V mobile miner is a game changer in underground excavation. This mobile miner is perfect for small to medium tunnels, providing a tunnel size of 4.00 x 4.0 meters. Its vertical cutter head ensures high precision, and it can achieve an advance rate of 10-15 meters per day based on rock type. It's a cost-effective solution that brings the power of a complete fleet to your project. This video is a masterclass in heavy hauling. The use of 2 Mercedes-Benz Actros Titan tractors and 22 Scheuerle intercombi axle lines with Greiner heavy-duty technology is a testament to the cutting-edge equipment and expertise required for such a complex operation. The coordination between the drivers and the crew is seamless, ensuring the safe and efficient transport of this critical piece of infrastructure. Number 21. The Kemrock DMW 220 is a beast for excavation, suitable for excavators in the 35-50 ton range. It offers cutting widths of 130, 200, and 400 millimeters. It delivers a max torque of 47,000 newton-meters at 380 bar and operates with oil flow rates up to 600 newton-min. It's built to handle reinforced concrete with 30 millimeter rebar. The main unit weighs 2,650 kilos, the immersion aid 920 kilo, and the protective cover 180 kilos. Definitely a top-tier cutter wheel for tough jobs. Number 19. Wow, the LR13000 is a true beast in the world of cranes. With a lifting capacity unmatched by any other conventional crawler crane, it's perfect for massive projects like power plant construction and refinery setups. It can handle weights up to 1,500 tons and columns 100 meters long. Plus, despite its enormous size, it can be transported cost-effectively around the world. Truly impressive engineering. When the bridge collapsed, the truck was left half submerged in the river, and the rescue team soon arrived to recover it.
Witnessing the transport of a retired commercial airliner through a city is a captivating spectacle. It's a testament to human ingenuity and engineering prowess, as the massive fuselage, stripped of its wings and engines, is delicately lifted and maneuvered through the urban maze. Absolutely, it's a clear case of operational mishap and workplace safety negligence. No one should be on board like that. Luckily, no one was hurt in the end, but it came at a hefty price. Engineering and logistical feats required to transport such massive structures.
Number 11. Big Brutus, the Bucyrus Erie Model 1850B electric shovel, is a fascinating piece of mining heritage. Located in West Mineral, Kansas, it was the second largest of its type in the 1960s and 70s, designed to dig 20 to 69 feet down for coal strip mining. With a 1987 value of $6.5 million, this massive machine is a testament to the era's industrial might and is now proudly displayed in a mining museum.
On Sunday, March 10, 2024, a colossal combustion chamber embarked on an epic journey through Bixby Road towards its destination in Hebron, Licking County. This behemoth, towering at 18 feet tall and wide, tipped the scales at a staggering 390,000 pounds, demanding exceptional expertise and meticulous planning. The slow-rolling roadblocks and potential delays were a testament to the sheer magnitude of this undertaking. This extraordinary feat of engineering and logistics showcases the remarkable skill and dedication of the transportation professionals involved, who expertly navigated this massive load through the intricate road network, ensuring its safe and timely arrival. This man, TGS 33.480, hauling 5 Komatsu excavators, is a beast on the brink. As it navigates a treacherous hairpin turn on one of Asia's deadliest mountain roads, the stakes couldn't be higher. One wrong move, and it's a catastrophic plunge into the abyss. Edwards Moving and Rigging recently conquered a Herculean task in South Florida, transporting 2 colossal components weighing a combined 1.6 million pounds. The sheer magnitude of these gas turbine, GT, and gas turbine generator, GTG units, demanded meticulous planning and expert execution. Navigating the bustling South Florida landscape with such massive cargo presented a unique challenge, but Edwards Moving and Rigging's seasoned professionals rose to the occasion, showcasing their mastery of heavy haulage and unwavering commitment to precision and safety.
Number 30. The Titan 900 is a beast of a primary shredder. Designed for the toughest jobs, this double-shaft shredder can handle wood, cardboard, waste, paper, cables, non-ferrous materials, tires, plastic, and pallets. With a power output of 405,000 WU and an operating weight of 35,000 kg, it's built for heavy-duty applications. Plus, it's mobile and comes with a magnetic separator. Perfect for companies dealing with massive amounts of waste daily. Number 1. The Hitachi EX8007 showcases how far excavation technology has come. Weighing in at up to 839,000 kilo, it's designed to work around the clock, even in challenging conditions. The machine's ergonomic design helps reduce operator fatigue, making long shifts more manageable. With a bucket capacity of up to 48 cubic meters and dual engines producing 1,944 HP each, this excavator is all about efficiency and productivity, highly recommended for large-scale mining operations. Number 2. Can you guess how much this powerful Komatsu PC8011 excavator costs? With twin engines delivering 3,000 kilowatt, equivalent 40-20 HP, this machine handles heavy loads effortlessly. Engineered with precision and power, it's tailored for seamless integration with 240 to 400 US ton trucks. With an impressive shovel and backhoe capacity of 42 MW 3, it's a game changer in productivity and efficiency. Number 12. The Komatsu P&H 4800 XPC, a marvel in mining equipment. With a nominal payload of 135 short tons and a dipper capacity of 8692 cubic yards, it's engineered for heavy-duty operations. This powerhouse moves 9,000 tons of material per hour and loads a 360 metric ton hauler in just 3 passes. Plus, its adaptive control technology enhances productivity by 20% and reduces costs per ton by 10%.
The Panther Series 2 3-ton 60 low loader is a heavy-duty champion, designed for the toughest mining and construction jobs. This 360-ton powerhouse boasts remote-controlled loading and unloading, ensuring operator safety. Its innovative rear axle system allows for exceptional maneuverability in tight spaces. With a massive 80.5-ton weight and a 12-meter ramp, this loader guarantees stability and efficient loading. Equipped with advanced braking systems, the Panther Series 2 The narrowing of traffic at the sleeve cuff due to heavy machinery malfunction made traffic difficult. Watch how this liquefied gas tanker handles to pass through this mountain pass. a colossal Caterpillar 994 loader. This mining behemoth, capable of lifting over 72,000 kilo and filling a 40.5 meter 3 bucket, demands exceptional skill and precision to transport. The awe-inspiring footage showcases not only the sheer scale of the equipment, but also the meticulous planning and expertise required to execute such a monumental move. Witness the impressive launch of the Arklow Crest, a colossal 6,800-ton cargo vessel, as it gracefully descends into the water at the Royal Bordeaux shipyard in Haugesand. This majestic ship, a testament to maritime engineering, marks a significant milestone in the shipbuilding industry. Combined 912 tires orchestrated a symphony of pushing and pulling, navigating this colossal load with exceptional skill and coordination. Muddy tracks, treacherous terrain, even Outback trucker Steve Graham's gotten bogged. The cocky won't get stuck guy. Definitely stuck. Heavy hauls in this muck?
Number 18, the Devellin DL5807 Stage V wheel loader is here, and it's a powerhouse. With a Scania DC13 engine, it's designed for higher performance and fuel efficiency. The enhanced hydraulic system and impressive breakout force ensure you can handle the toughest materials effortlessly. Whether it's the 6.00 mm3 general purpose bucket or the 6.6 mm material handling bucket, this machine delivers on every front.
That's how you properly maneuver a tractor down a steep incline.
Sleipner E550 transporter is a titan in the realm of heavy machinery transport, effortlessly carrying excavators weighing up to a staggering 565 tons. This 80.5-ton behemoth, measuring 5.4 meters wide with 2.7 meter wheel diameters, is the largest in the Sleipner range. Unlike traditional, slow-moving methods, the E550 travels up to 15 km/h, revolutionizing machinery transport. Its patented roller skate technology and remote control operation ensure efficiency and safety. By reducing transport time, wear and tear, and increasing safety, the E550 is a game changer, reshaping the heavy machinery transport industry. Witness the engineering marvel orchestrated by Megatrans as they transported a colossal 456-ton acrylic complex main column in Camaçari, Brazil. This gargantuan structure, towering over the landscape, required a specialized fall can be the most critical. Witness the breathtaking ascent of a Caterpillar 385C excavator as it conquers a mountainous terrain, towed by the mighty MAN TGA 41.660. This impressive heavy haulage operation showcases the incredible power and precision required to navigate steep inclines and hairpin turns. The skilled driver and powerful tractor unit work in perfect harmony, showcasing their expertise in conquering challenging landscapes. A Herculean feat of heavy hauling, Perkins STC orchestrated a meticulously planned operation, transporting 7 colossal engines weighing a staggering 637,000 pounds each across 61 miles of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. This engineering marvel required over a year and a half of meticulous planning, involving multiple route surveys, feasibility studies, and coordination with various authorities. The engines, transported on a specialized 400-ton dual-lane, loading 48-axle suspension beam, showcase the pinnacle of heavy haul technology. This extraordinary endeavor stands as a testament to the ingenuity and determination. Brace yourself for a white-knuckle ride as this heavily overloaded truck navigates treacherous gap downturns. a heart-pounding test of skill and nerves for even the most seasoned drivers. Witness the innovative relocation of a Manitowoc 18,000 crane at the Loma Blanca 6th wind farm in Argentina. This groundbreaking transport method, using 36 hydraulic axle lines, allowed the massive crane to be moved fully erected on roads designed for narrower equipment. This innovative solution not only reduced costs and construction time, but also increased flexibility by allowing the use of more readily available wide-track crawler cranes.
Let's take 30 seconds to dive into the madness of Cine Truck Show 2023. Buick talked. Cine was electric. Truck drivers put on a show, entertaining the crowd with roaring Scania V8s, open pipes, and billows of black smoke. It was great to see the Cornish legend among them. All these trucks were truly show quality. Wow, witnessing a 355-ton abnormal load squeezing through the narrow streets of Leeds is mind-blowing. It's incredible how they managed to maneuver such massive equipment with precision. I bet many drivers wish they had started their journey just 2 minutes earlier that day. The stress on the steel and tires around those bends is intense. Did you hear all that creaking and banging? I've seen a tire burst under that kind of pressure before, and I wouldn't want to be as close as some of the onlookers were.
In this video, we'll unveil Brazil's largest rural truck, the impressive Hexatrem. Operated by Suzano, this colossal vehicle is primarily used to transport eucalyptus logs throughout the company's vast plantations.
Number 30. The Gripen 040 is a game changer for recycling and heavy lifting. This grab features an impressive grip width and is crafted with a solid, weld-free top for maximum stability. Equipped with a load-holding valve and piston accumulator, it ensures safe and efficient load handling. With a maximum load capacity of 3,000 kg and a working pressure of 25 mpm, it's engineered for superior performance and versatility in tough conditions.
Number 26. The Woodcracker CS780 is an impressive piece of forestry equipment. With a cutting diameter of up to 750 meters and a grapple opening of 1,600 mm, it's perfect for safe tree removal and harvesting even in tough terrains like hills and swamps. It features continuous rotation with its tiltator, automatic tilt function for the cutting system, and a robust design made of hard-ox steel. Number 27. The Aardvark TBP 7000 is a beast of a machine. Its foldable drawbar and tandem swing arm make it easy to transport and store. The cutting blade's tilt and angle can be adjusted to suit your needs, and the GPSA laser brackets provide accurate leveling. With models ranging from 3.5 to 9 meters, it's ideal for various applications. This grader scraper planer is perfect for improving farm roads or constructing landing strips.
Transporting a colossal 80-meter wind turbine blade through mountainous terrain is a feat that demands meticulous planning, exceptional skill, and nerves of steel. Axle configuration with a third row and an astounding 480 tires for transport. Witness the impressive capabilities of Traderlos's newest addition, the Doña Pilar high girder bridge, as it tackles the challenging
In a split second after he jumped down, the excavator started to tilt, ultimately losing its balance and collapsing entirely. Hurry up, faster! He already has a soft cushion waiting for him on the side. With every bit of skill they had, both drivers managed to avoid a collision. The truck and the car are safe, but the gate wasn't so lucky. The driver's fast and effective response helped the truck evade a serious mishap. Wake up! Apparently he was working on something heavier before, and that ruined him. Oh no, the excavator just stumbled while getting off. Yikes. The excavator recovery was an utter failure. Every move seemed to make things worse. It's amazing to see the strength of these trucks. Even when overweight, they don't break down. Can you believe it? The crane is functioning perfectly even though it's not grounded. What a rebellious trailer. It unhooked itself and went for a joyride. Luckily, no accidents happened. After spending a long time cooling off in the icy water, this heavy equipment was finally pulled out. This is a tough job getting the digger off the silage pit. Luck was on his side today. The overloaded wood truck crossed the bridge just in time before it came crashing down. After stepping out to take a phone call, all he could do was helplessly watch as his truck toppled over right before his eyes. A la madre! Madagascar's Roads of the Impossible on National Route 5A is an epic challenge. Connecting Ambelobe to Bohemar, this 160-kilometer track, aptly named the Track from Hell, becomes nearly impassable during the rainy season, transforming into a grueling obstacle course that can take over 15 days to traverse. Ruts, mud pools, and narrow passages test the limits of any vehicle. Remarkably, this old truck has conquered it all. Hats off to the driver and assistants for their incredible resilience. Witnessing the Komatsu PC-1250 excavator getting stuck in a coal mine pit was truly overwhelming. Yet in an impressive display of skill, the operator wriggled it out in just a few minutes and resumed work. It was like watching a giant cyclops emerging from a swamp. This is like a parade of concrete giants. These I-beams are the backbone of infrastructure, and Buchanan is the unsung hero getting them where they need to go. The way they navigate those tight turns and intersections is impressive. It's like watching a ballet of brute force and finesse. This video gives us a glimpse into the complex journey these I-beams take from Tampa to Tierra Verde. It's not just about hauling them down the road, it's about careful planning, coordination, and execution. Watching the massive drilling rig modules being transported on the Alpine ice roads in April 2024 was awe-inspiring. It's incredible how they maneuver such heavy structures with precision and care on those treacherous icy paths. Number 3. The Bagger 293 is an absolute giant in the world of mining machinery. Built in 1995 by Tokraf, this bucket wheel excavator stands 96 meters, 315 feet tall, and stretches 225 meters, 738 feet long. Weighing 14,200 tons, it takes 5 people to operate and can move an astounding 240,000 cubic meters of soil per day. The bucket wheel alone is over 21 meters in diameter with 18 buckets, each holding 15 cubic meters of material. Truly a marvel of engineering. Number 4, the Caterpillar D11T is a beast. With its 248 out 500-pound frame, this dozer not only dominates the mining industry, but also excels in efficiency. The load-sensing hydraulics and high-horsepower reverse make it a productivity powerhouse. Truly, a marvel of modern engineering.
A behemoth on the move. A 700,000-pound generator rotor embarks on a carefully choreographed journey from Callaway Nuclear Plant for refurbishment. One truck pulling, another pushing, and a total of 108 tires on the ground. This spectacle of engineering prowess required a unique solution for navigating turns. Each axle of the trailer precisely steered, inching the colossal cargo around corners. A remarkable feat of human ingenuity and heavy machinery. How many behemoths can that ferry bear? The brute force of trucks disembarking raises the stakes in this high-risk ballet of heavy transport.
Number 16. The Diamant 2000 is a serious contender in the chipper market. Its ability to handle different chipping materials with interchangeable knife carriers is a great feature. Plus, the chain-free drive and quick counterblade change make it a highly efficient and user-friendly machine. Number 17, McElroy Talon 2000. Amazing capabilities with the Talon 2000. Lifting pipes up to 2,000 mm and moving across challenging terrain are huge advantages. The design that allows for quick adjustment and easy tie-ins makes it a top choice for efficient and effective pipe fusion.
Transporting heavy machinery up Waikon Mountain in Chalam Prakiat District, Nan Province, poses significant challenges due to the steep inclines. As I watched the Volvo truck struggle uphill, its 440 horsepower engine seemed insufficient for the task at hand. In Europe, trucks with 750 horsepower are equipped for heavy-duty hauling, boasting specialized features like 5 axles and enhanced traction capabilities, enabling them to pull loads of up to 230 tons. The disparity in power highlights the unique demands of navigating treacherous terrain like Waikon Mountain and underscores the importance of employing specialized equipment tailored to the specific challenges of each transportation route. A $3 million 60-foot yacht toppled off its trailer at Lake of the Ozarks State Park Marina due to balance loss during transport. Moving. Look, it's leaning. Clear reactors on the move. It's a spectacle that commands attention, requiring nothing short of Herculean logistics and meticulous planning. So, buckle up and get ready to dive deep into the heart-pounding world of extreme dangerous transport skill operations oversized truck. Let the adventure unfold. Witness the awe-inspiring power of Kometo Transporter Girder as it gracefully carries massive concrete beams across the Jakarta-Bandung high-speed railway construction site. A heavy transport operation gone wrong. The crane boom swaying precariously on the tractor trailer. Was it human error, exceeding weight limits, lack of wheel chocks for the tractor's movement, or something else entirely? The excavator, weighing in at an astonishing 125 tons, is carefully loaded onto a specialized side-loading trailer, ensuring its stability and secure transport. The powerful MAN TGX 41.540 tractor unit, expertly maneuvered by skilled operators, navigates challenging roads and weather conditions, demonstrating the expertise and precision required in heavy equipment transportation. As the excavator embarks on its journey, it encounters various obstacles, including narrow passages and low bridges. The experienced team meticulously adjusts the trailer's position, ensuring the excavator's safe passage. Their expertise and attention to detail are evident in their ability to navigate these challenges without compromising the safety of the excavator or the surrounding environment.
Number 20. The Cress SC 400T slab carrier is a marvel of modern engineering. Its rapid round-trip cycle and high-lift hydraulic tongs streamline slab handling and transportation. With a cycle time of just 5 minutes and the capability to handle slabs directly from any surface, it's both efficient and user-friendly. The durability and comfort of this carrier make it an outstanding investment for any mill or storage yard. Number 21, the Volvo FH116 750 10X4 is truly built for the big jobs. Equipped with a powerful 750 HP engine and a 10X4 drive system, This truck excels in transporting massive loads and navigating tough terrain. The air suspension and advanced braking system ensure stability and safety, while the Globetrotter XL cabin keeps drivers comfortable on long hauls. For heavy-duty transport and construction, this truck is a top performer.
Man, I'd love to get behind the controls of that D8T. The sheer power of that Cat C15 engine is enough to make any gearhead drool. Watching it push that giant stone is like watching a superhero at work. It's the kind of machine that makes you want to conquer any challenge. And this is the best way ever to clean the tracks out. Whoa, this is like watching a parade of giants. Seeing that massive generator snake its way through the narrow streets of Felixstowe is mesmerizing. The sheer size and weight of this load is mind-boggling, and the precision required to navigate such a densely populated area is awe-inspiring. Alley's Heavy Transport is clearly a master of their craft, from route planning and traffic management to the specialized equipment needed to safely transport such a massive object. Number 7. The New Holland CR10.90 is the king of harvesters. This machine harvested almost 800 tons of wheat in 8 hours, setting a Guinness World Record. It's designed for efficient barley and wheat harvesting with a 700 HP 6-cylinder engine. It holds 1,300 liters of fuel, enough for 600 hours of work. Its unparalleled productivity and strength make the CR1090 the ultimate harvesting machine. Number 8. The Cat 6060 hydraulic mining shovel is an absolute beast. This machine delivers with its 3015 HP engine and a 67-ton bucket payload, ideal for working with 240-ton haul trucks. Weighing in at 660 tons, it combines power and efficiency for fast cycle times and high productivity. The cab provides clear views, and the safety features, including an emergency egress ladder and a powered access stairway, are outstanding. Maintenance is also a breeze with lockable switches and smart hydraulic and electric line routing. Wow, witnessing the delivery of an XCMG XR220D drilling rig from Samnua to Udom Chai is absolutely thrilling. The narrow winding road with broken down cars is a true test of skill. The driver's expertise is nothing short of superhuman, navigating such treacherous paths with precision and grace. This feat showcases the incredible diligence of drivers across Asia, facing life-threatening challenges daily. It's a risky job few in the USA would dare to take on. I deeply admire their effort and determination. Earning a living this way is far from easy. Riding along with Darren Warren, Snake, in his McCarthy Transport Kenworth T659, hauling logs to Port Taranaki in New Plymouth, New Zealand, is an experience to behold. The loading and unloading process was fascinating to watch. What really stood out was the immaculate condition of the rigs, clean and shiny, showing the pride these drivers take in their trucks. It's a stark contrast to the often dirty rigs we see in my country. Witnessing the 1.5 million pound transport out of Laramie, WI is truly awe-inspiring. The sheer scale of moving a transformer weighing between 660,000 680,000 pounds is mind-boggling. How do they keep all the trailer axles pointed in the right direction through those turns? Mechanical cleverness and expert precision. Seeing this heavy haul load getting pulled uphill is both a nightmare and a marvel. Wish we had roads this wide with little to no traffic. Great job to the crew. And let's not forget, that high hood C500 is an absolute beauty. Number 10, the Liebherr T264 is a giant in the world of mining trucks. With a 2,700 HP engine and Electronic Plus AC drive system, it promises high efficiency. The electric wheel motors, adding 4,125 HP, make it a productivity powerhouse. Its size and speed are impressive, 8.621 meters wide and 55 km/h top speed. For anyone in the mining industry, this machine can save a lot of time, effort, and money, ensuring quality and efficiency. Witness the raw power and struggle as a custom-built 6-cylinder Hyundai Daewoo turbo log truck gets stuck in the mud. This homemade beast, designed for hauling timber in Vietnam's steep mountainous terrain, meets its match on a rainy day. Truly, this scene captures one of the most grueling and challenging jobs out there. When the truck crossed the pass, heavy rain made it even more challenging to navigate sharp turns and steep slopes. With a lot of traffic and slippery roads, the driver faced immense difficulty. The tractor was hauling a Doosan DX420 LC weighing about 50 tons, a Kobelco behind it at around 40 tons, and a crane structure in the middle at 20 tons. That's a total of 110 tons. Absolutely massive. It's amazing to see the driver single-handedly get the Volvo mini excavator climbing the truck. Not everyone can do that. The Ural 6x6 timber monster lives up to its name, powering through every terrain with its raw strength. Truly a beast of a truck.
Buchanan Hauling and Rigging, Inc. is a company that specializes in transporting oversized and overweight cargo. They have a fleet of specialized equipment that allows them to transport a wide variety of cargo, including beams, machinery, and equipment. In one recent project, Buchanan Hauling and Rigging transported 180-foot beams across Florida. The beams were being used to construct a new bridge. The beams were transported on a specialized trailer that was designed to handle the weight and length of the beams. The trailer was pulled by a powerful tractor-trailer unit. Witness the impressive maneuverability of a colossal girder launcher as it executes a seemingly impossible U-turn atop a towering overpass. This engineering marvel, weighing hundreds of tons, relies on a specialized turntable to pivot gracefully on the narrow bridge. The turntable, a testament to innovative design, bears the immense weight of the launcher while rotating on its tracks, allowing for a seamless change in direction. This remarkable feat showcases the ingenuity and precision required in heavy equipment transportation and infrastructure development. Witness the precision and efficiency of the Eddie Stobart car transporter as it expertly loads 11 brand new BMWs onto its towering decks. This logistical ballet showcases the meticulous planning and coordination required to secure each vehicle, maximizing space while ensuring the safety of these high-value assets. Welcome to today's thrilling journey through the realm of extreme transport. Picture this: colossal oil platforms looming over the horizon, or the sheer magnitude of